Ooh, hello. Okay, good evening. It's you know what? I think it's about 9 o'clock at night. I'm out just setting the trail cameras up. It's raining a little bit when I'm in the woodland. That's right, people are walking past with dogs. I don't want to scare them. Anyway, so over here. First trail cam. Now that's called a no glow. And then this one. So basically just strapped to a tree. And then we've got pork, sausage rolls, chicken, all around. Nice bit of skin there. Yummy. So we're yeah. Before I go to work in the morning, I'll come back, pick these up, and we'll see what we get tonight. Obviously, it's more than not going to be foxes. There's no badgers at this spot, but Friday that'll be my next one to show you some badgers. Just to let you know how dark it is in the wood. It's very, very, very dark. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. I'll get a cup of coffee. So yeah, keep enjoying my new YouTube channel, and see you soon. Bye.